Alright, this is going to be how to change a Generation 3 PowerTech hub. I'm going to take this one from a Mercury to a Yamaha. This is what the hub looks like when you get it out. I have a press, but I'm not going to use it because you probably don't have one laying on the dock. I just use a socket, flip it around backwards so you got a nice blunt edge. Drive it out of there. Sometimes you got to put it at an angle to get the rest of it out. Alright, now it's got the little grooves the same as the old cushion locks. So this would be the new one. Spray them with a little bit of WD-40 or whatever you got. This is T9. Going in's a lot easier. Line that set of grooves up. It will almost press right in there. Done.